Hi guys. Today I will explain how to fix Vanilla gift card on hold. This process will be simple and easy. The only thing you have to do is open your browser and head over to the main website. Now sign in your account on which you are facing this problem. And before going any further, let me tell you few reason and do of these reason. Your gift card will be on hold. The first reason is you don't have enough balance in your card. So make sure you have enough balance in your card because if you don't have, then your transactions will be on hold. And second reason is due to some kind of security verification. Maybe they want to know your birthday date or some kind of other security verification. So you have to do all these, then your problem will be solved. The last thing is you can also contact with the customer support of Vanilla and can get a help through their live chat system and also with some written article. After doing everything, head over to the main website and then click on the option Activate Your Card here. You have to enter all the details of your card, like card number, expiration date, and CVV number. Once you enter everything, click on the option Continue. And here you can see I have enough balance in my card, and now my card is activated. I can manage PIN and can replace my card. Below, you can see my balance and transactions. It's mean my card has been activated, and I can but everything. So with the help of my method, you can fix this problem